Certainly. Here's a detailed recipe for Cuban Ropa Vieja. Ingredients. ***. For the shredded beef. 2 pounds flank steak or skirt steak. 1 onion, roughly chopped. 1 green bell pepper, roughly chopped. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. Salt and pepper to taste. Water or beef broth. For the vegetable mixture. 1 onion, thinly sliced. 1 red bell pepper, thinly sliced. 1 green bell pepper, thinly sliced. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 can, 14 ounces, diced tomatoes. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 1 teaspoon ground paprika. Salt and pepper to taste. Olive oil. Instructions. 1. Place the flank steak or skirt steak in a large pot. Add the roughly chopped onion, green bell pepper, minced garlic, cumin powder, paprika, dried oregano, salt, and pepper. 2. Add enough water or beef broth to cover the meat and vegetables. 3. Bring the liquid to a boil over high heat. Once it boils, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let the meat simmer for about 2-3 hours, or until the meat is tender and easily shreds. 4. Once the meat is cooked, remove it from the pot and place it on a cutting board. Use 2 forks to shred the meat into thin strands. Set aside. 5. In a separate pan, heat a couple of tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. 6. Add the thinly sliced onions and bell peppers to the pan. Sauté for about 5-7 minutes, or until the vegetables are softened and slightly caramelized. 7. Add the minced garlic, ground cumin, ground paprika, salt, and pepper to the pan. Sauté for an additional 1-2 minutes until the spices become fragrant. 8. Stir in the can of diced tomatoes, including the liquid from the can. Let the mixture simmer for a few minutes to combine the flavors. 9. Add the shredded beef back to the pan with the sautéed vegetables and tomato mixture. Mix everything together well. 10. Allow the mixture to simmer for another 10-15 minutes, stirring occasionally. This will help the flavors meld and the beef to absorb the delicious sauce. 11. Taste the ropa vieja and adjust the seasoning with more salt and pepper if needed. 12. Once the dish is heated through and the flavors are well combined, it's ready to serve. 13. Serve the Cuban Ropa Vieja hot over a bed of white rice, and you can also accompany it with black beans and fried plantains for a complete Cuban meal. 14. Garnish with fresh cilantro or parsley if desired before serving. Enjoy your homemade Cuban Ropa Vieja.